Hello and welcome to this very exciting, super fun lesson about diatonic chords. So you're probably going, what on earth is she talking about? Diatonic chords are fun. I have a confession. It's really embarrassing. I have been playing piano since I was 9 years old, and I really only learned about what diatonic chords are and what that means like this year. So if that happened to me, it could have happened to you too. And really understanding how to use diatonic chords will unlock so many possibilities for you in songwriting and creating chord progressions and improvising. So this is super important to know. So it's really quick and easy. I'm going to show you exactly what diatonic chords mean and then how you can use it to create your own chord progressions and improvise. So all diatonic means is the chords that belong in a certain family, in a certain key signature family. So, for example, in the key of C, if we were to play a C scale, the trait or the characteristics of that C scale are that there are only white keys. There's no sharps, there's no flats. So C is the first one. We've got a C major chord. Now we're going to just take this shape. We're not going to change anything. We're going to follow the rules of the key of C, which means all white keys. And our next chord becomes the sad sounding chord, which is a minor. And then another sad sounding chord, which is another minor. We have E minor. Bump it up. The mood has changed. We have F. We bump up again. We're still happy. We've got a G. We move up again. The energy, the sound has changed. We have another minor. And then this one's crunchy. This is what's called a diminished chord. So it's just following the rules, it's keeping the shape, but we have a different sound. And the beautiful thing about this diminished is it resolves beautifully back to the one, the beginning. So just be aware that if you're playing around, this one's going to sound a little bit funny, and that's okay. It's just part of the chord family in the key of C. It's one of the diatonic chords. So how on earth is this useful? It's useful because if you want to create a song, if you learn all the diatonic chords of the key, you can know what chords you can play and how to build them. So in the key of C, I've got C, I've got G, I've got A minor, I've got F, I've got E minor, D minor, C. Now, if I want to increase my knowledge of different chords in different keys, I can pick a new key and try to find all of the chords that belong in that family. So in D, we have to follow the rules of that D scale. So the very first chord we build has an F, which is going to be a sharp. So we've got that happy chord again. Then we move up our shape using those scale key signature rules. We've got a minor, and we're going to do it again. And keeping in mind, we've got F sharp and C sharp. So now you've just created an F sharp minor chord. It sounds so pretty. Keep following those rules. Move up again. We've got a G major, happy. Up again, we've got that C sharp giving us an A major, also happy. Up again, we've got a B minor here. And then here's the crazy one. We've got that diminished. So we're using that claw shape, right? The 1, 3, 5. Following the rules, C sharp, E and G. And then that resolves beautifully again to the 1. So that's how diatonic chords work. It's a kind of a fancy word to mean something really simple. It's how to find all the chords that belong in a key signature family. If you can pick a key, even just one key a week, and practice playing the diatonic chords of that key in order, it's going to improve your knowledge of the key signatures. It's going to improve your knowledge of chords, major and minor. It'll help to train your ear, and it'll give you a palette that you can use in any key to create songs that you like, because when you know the chords that belong in the key that you're playing in, oh my goodness, the sky's the limit. You can mix and match, play them in any order that you like, and create your very own amazing music. So hope you enjoyed this short and sweet lesson. Have fun playing all of the chords, and we'll see you next time.